Guess what?
What?
We got the dirt on dirt.
Talk dirty to me.
It's about soil. So the reason why we're doing a soil segment is because soil has a huge impact on our bodies.
The soil that our food is grown in.
Right, because soil needs to grow and be filled with minerals. And it's not, because we are mass producing food.
What are some things we can do to get some of those minerals back into our system?
The easiest way is using Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt has 84 essential minerals that our bodies need to function. And actually Himalayan salt, you can bathe in it, and it's really good at pulling toxins from your skin.
I'm into that.
Yeah.
Actually, we sell that at the spa.
We sell that at the spa.
I didn't
and
even
it's
think of
actually
that.
scented, so it smells super nice.
Soil's not the same. Get yourself some minerals. Don't be lacking. Get lost, you dirt bag. Do you want a high five?
No, I want to turn it off.